past life, he was himself. If opportunity knocks and he's not home, opportunity waits. He gave his father the talk. Cuba imports cigars from him. Mosquitoes refuse to bite him, purely out of respect. He is the most interesting man in the world.
Hi, my name is Azim Rathor, the most interesting man in the world. I hope you enjoyed that video as much as I enjoyed making it. I try to find the humor in my life, and I think having sort of an upbeat, positive attitude is one of the characteristics I possess. It certainly has helped me in college when I had to persevere through very difficult times. I think in addition to a strong personality, another quality that I've been trying to develop over these last several years is my empathy. I think empathy is such an underestimated quality to have, both in life, but especially in medical school. I think the best way to understand empathy and to broaden one's sense of empathy is to engage with people who are much different from you. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to become a resident advisor. By being an RA on my hall, I was able to interact with many different students with different social, cultural, religious, or political backgrounds. And I think that really helped me sort of reflect on how I wanted to view the world. Just as important towards my development has been volunteering at my local free clinic at my mosque. This free clinic has allowed me to engage with patients who I thought much different before speaking with them. But I'm reminded by a quote by former President Bill Clinton, who simply said, he learned how to talk by learning how to listen. And I've tried to live by that. So I hope we can speak further. I'd be honored to have an interview, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your consideration.